So here's how to change language in Netflix. First of all, let's head over to Netflix. You can use your downloaded Netflix app or your browser, whichever one that you prefer. So once you're here inside Netflix, go ahead and click on your profile on the top right corner. After that, click on Manage Profiles. Once you're in this section, click on Overview from the top. Then, scroll down and click on Edit Settings. Over here under Preferences, click on Languages. Now, you can select your desired audio and subtitle languages from here. You can also change your display language from the top. So once you're done with these changes, go back to the previous page. Over here, you will get to see the newly added languages right under the languages title. And that is exactly how to change language in Netflix.